Okay everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make Play-Doh using flour, food coloring, oil, cream of tartar, salt, and I have some water here in a pot ready for me. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start making our Play-Doh. The water does need to be nice and hot, so I'm going to move this stuff over so we can get started doing that. And then I'm going to start on the Play-Doh dough. I will separate it into several different parts so we can go ahead and create different colors for our Halloween themed Play-Doh. Okay, so here you guys go. I have our orange. This is more of like a blood red. This is black, and this is like a graveyard gray. So here are our spooky Halloween colored Play-Doh, and as you can see, they are all nice and soft. And if you do feel like they are a little too dry, feel free to add on a little bit of oil. Try to do at least maybe just a teaspoon at a time to the whole batch, and kind of just work your way from there. But they smell like Play-Doh. They feel great. I did have to add a little bit more flour while I knead the dough before we came to our finished product, but I am happy with it. My daughter is excited to play with it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I'll put the ingredients below, and hopefully you guys like the recipe as well. See you guys soon. Bye.